Welcome to our video on the incredible health benefits of apple cider vinegar. If you're looking for a natural remedy to improve your overall well-being, you're in the right place. Let's uncover the secrets of this ancient elixir and explore the fantastic ways it can positively impact your health. Let's get started. One of the most well-known benefits of apple cider vinegar is its potential to aid in weight loss. Its acetic acid content can help suppress appetite, increase metabolism, and reduce fat storage. By incorporating apple cider vinegar into your diet, you may experience a gentle and natural way to shed those extra pounds. Apple cider vinegar can be a game changer for your digestive system. It helps stimulate stomach acid production, aiding in digestion and reducing bloating. This natural tonic can also support a healthy gut by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria. Maintaining balanced blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health. Apple cider vinegar has been shown to have a positive impact on insulin sensitivity, helping regulate blood sugar levels. Including apple cider vinegar in your diet may be a beneficial strategy, particularly for those with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. Supporting the immune system is vital, especially in today's world. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, apple cider vinegar can help boost your immune system, making it more effective in fighting off harmful pathogens. By incorporating apple cider vinegar into your daily routine, you'll be providing your body with an extra line of defense. Apple cider vinegar is widely recognized as a natural remedy for various conditions. It can help alleviate heartburn, soothe a sore throat, relieve acid reflux, and even treat dandruff. With its antimicrobial properties, it can be used as a natural cleaning agent or as a toner to promote healthy, glowing skin. And there you have it, the remarkable health benefits of apple cider vinegar. From aiding in weight loss and digestion to regulating blood sugar levels and boosting the immune system, this versatile ingredient can positively impact your overall well-being. So why not give apple cider vinegar a try and unlock its incredible power today? Thank you for watching.